You get a WhatsApp message. It's from a colleague. Download this Logitech software update. You trust them. You click. That one click just handed criminals your bank account. This hidden spy program is called TCL Banker. It watches everything you type, your username, your password, your account numbers. Victims are losing $5,000, $15,000, their entire savings. Gone in hours. The criminals vanish overseas. Right now, this attack is spreading through WhatsApp and Outlook. Thousands infected this month alone. Here's how you stay safe. 1. Never download software from messages, even from friends. Their account might be hijacked. 2. Only get programs from official websites. Type the address yourself. 3. Call your friend directly. Ask them, "Did you actually send this?" If they sound confused, delete it immediately. You are not helpless here. Criminals need you to act fast. Slow down, and you win. One pause. One phone call. That's all it takes to protect your money. Follow for one new cyber safety tip every day. It could save everything.